So I'm making one of the recipes that's on my blog, and it is some cottage cheese blueberry pancakes, and they are so scrumptious. Even if you're not a cottage cheese lover, you'll love these pancakes because they're packed with protein and they are fluffy, and then you can put like a raspberry dressing on them or just regular maple syrup. So the recipe is actually from a blog called Unfussy Picure, and all the links are on my blog, but anyways, I'm going to show you how to make it. So the first thing you do is you add a cup of cottage cheese, and if it's super wet, you want to drain it so that it doesn't put a lot more moisture in there, but I didn't really drain it too well, so I put a paper towel on it, so I think it'll be all right. And then 2/3 cup either plain yogurt or cottage cheese, and I didn't have any plain yogurt, so I'm using not cottage cheese, sour cream, and a tablespoon of melted butter, and 2 eggs. And then we're gonna whisk it together. And I don't know if you're like me, but I don't like plain pancakes anymore. I need to have flavor and things in my pancakes. Whether it's nuts or berries or something, I can't handle just plain, boring pancakes anymore. I don't know if it's because you get older and your taste buds change, but yeah, I just gotta have a little something in those pancakes. And of course, Mike loves these pancakes too. And they don't have very much flour in them, which is kind of a unique way of doing it. Okay, the other thing you need is some lemon zest, because that's what gives it some flavor. And also some lemon juice. It's about a couple tablespoons of lemon juice that I'm gonna use. And I just kind of guess. It doesn't have to be exact, I don't think, you know. It's kind of whatever you like. So I'm just gonna squeeze some in here. I have to scoop out the seeds because I didn't protect it from there. So grab a couple of little lemon seeds out. And we just whisk that together. Then we're gonna add, this is 5 tablespoons of flour and a heaping tablespoon of sugar and a pinch of salt. And it's kind of a thicker batter. You just kind of spoon that together. And when you cook them on the griddle, it is, you have to cook them slow because they're thicker pancakes. It's not like a runny pancake mix. And when you use your blueberries, you just place them into the pancake rather than in the mix, because I think the blueberries make the batter too runny. So I'll show you how to cook them in 1 second. Good blueberry fingers. A cheater way to make raspberry syrup is to use regular syrup. I like to use real maple syrup. And then you can just add fresh raspberries. You can, put them in the pot while you warm up the syrup, or even in the microwave, and just add the raspberries to it and kind of mush them up a little bit, and it makes a delicious raspberry syrup. Or like Costco also has that brand of Kodiak raspberry syrup. So either one is yummy, or just plain regular syrup. So that is an idea for your topping. These are a little tricky to flip. So you gotta wait till they're cooked enough to where you can grab it. And those need a little bit more time, because otherwise they're so flimsy that they won't hold together when you flip them. So you gotta be patient with these pancakes. This pancake recipe is so easy, and it's so yummy and delicious because of the flavors with the lemon and the blueberries, and then with the yogurt, or either the yogurt or the sour cream, and it makes just a rich, yummy, delicious pancake. So hopefully you'll try this recipe. I'll show you when they look like when I flip them over. Together. There we go. That one held together well. Okay, so they've been cooking probably about, I don't know, 5 minutes. See that one? That one fell. But it will still taste yummy. all the golden goodness there and the blueberries and the cheese. It's so delicious. You got to try these pancakes. So I'm just about ready to take them off the griddle, and they're nice and golden with that cheese that melted and with the lemon and the blueberry. They're so scrumptious. I also have another recipe on my blog, lemon souffle pancakes, and they take a little bit more effort because you have to whip the egg whites and make them fluffy and then add them to the pancake batter to lighten them. Oh, here comes the hubby, so it's time to eat. Hope you check out the recipe on my blog and enjoy. You can find the recipe on my blog at Karen's Cottage, lemon blueberry cottage cheese pancakes with all the ingredients and a little tutorial on how to make them in case you want to make some today.